In this video I will show you the Relations section of the Guardian360 Lighthouse platform. You can find this section in the main menu. When you click on Relations, you see the option to administrate organizations, contracts, contacts, probes and scan objects. These options are only available to partners, because partners are only able to maintain the scan scope or administrate customer contracts and stuff like that. In the Organizations menu, you can find the option to add organization or find an overview of organizations. An organization can either be a partner or an end customer. And the status of an organization in our platform is defined by the type of contract an organization has with either Guardian360 or the partner. So you can choose the client type contract for clients. You can choose yourself as a contract giver and choose the organization of a client as a contract taker. You see underneath the start date and end date. These dates are important because when a contract is overdue or the end date is reached, Guardian360 scanning will stop immediately. In the Contacts menu, you will find an overview of all contacts. Contacts are connected or related to an organization, and based on the status of an organization in Guardian360 Lighthouse, the contact will have the rights accordingly. So when a person or a contact is related to a Guardian360 partner, it gets more rights than when a person is related to a client. Here you can see an overview of scan objects. These are the scan objects we added in our demo environment. As a partner, you're able to add scan objects. You can choose the organization the scan object belongs to. You can give it a name. You can choose the type. You can choose either an IPv4 address or a range or a URL. And next to it or underneath you find the scanner platform that can be used. Guardian360 has a central scanner platform that's being hosted in the Netherlands, with which we scan all internet-facing components like external IP addresses or URLs. But when you want to scan on the inside of a network, so behind the firewall, you need to deploy a probe. And when the probe is available, you can choose the scanner platform for the probe as well. Talking of that, probes can be found here. What's important when adding a probe is that the probe meets the requirements we have. You see sometimes that a probe is being generated and downloaded but can't be provisioned because of the system requirements that weren't met. So it's very important that you take these in account, these specifications. And also we should be able to reach the following hosts from the probe. By creating a probe, you choose an organization. You can choose a hypervisor to go with, and also the network type. Is it a DHCP network or a static network? It is possible to deploy multiple probes for one organization, and the other way around is also possible. It's possible to deploy one probe, for example, for a partner, and use that for multiple end customers. When you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact Guardian360 support or your distributor.